I made the structure of this project in Tinkercad and I'm not using cardboard because it's time consuming. We are going to 3D print the parts. But since I don't have a 3D printer right now, I am using JLC 3DP's 3D printing services. JLC 3DP is a well-known manufacturer of 3D printed parts. They have 3000 square meter of factory and over 200 industrial grade 3D printers. They also provide 3D printing services for those who don't own a 3D printer and need to prototype their project at low cost. They offer 3D printing and CNC machining with the variety of technologies and materials. Order your parts? Just visit jlc3dp.com, upload the STL file I have provided in description, choose your preferred settings and place your order. JLC 3DP now also offer 3D printing in different metals. If you sign up using my link in the description, you will receive a $70 coupon as a new user. They also ship worldwide as well. After few days, I received my 3D printed parts. Once again, packaging is excellent. This PCB is for an upcoming project, so make sure to subscribe and get notified about our latest builds. Now let's unwrap our 3D printed parts. This is the roof of our project, printed using the new grey resin. This is the gate part, printed with JLC black resin. And here is our main structure. It looks great in grey resin as well. The surface finish is excellent and I am really satisfied with the print quality. Finally, we have the ceiling. It has a slight bend, but JLC 3DP team already informed me about this through email. I accepted the risk before printing, as this material is very flexible and the bend can be easily fixed. Let's combine these parts and create something amazing. I am using this warm white light and the 3D part is designed to match its dimensions, but don't worry, if you have different light, I will design the bracket according to your light's dimension. You can message me on Instagram and send me your light's dimension there. Now plug in the Arduino to your laptop or PC using the USB cable. Open the Arduino IDE. Copy and paste the code I have provided in the description. Select the correct Arduino board and port. Then simply click on upload. You will see the code is compiling and uploaded successfully. If you feel worth watching the video, then do subscribe. I am using this 25 volt 2200 microfarad capacitor to prevent the current drop issue in the servo motor. Now plug in the battery so the servo moves to the position we have programmed in Arduino IDE. This will make it easy for us to attach the gate at its initial position. First, download the app from the description. Then go to App Info, tap on Permissions and allow nearby devices. Now turn on the Bluetooth and look for SC05 under Available Devices. Tap on it. Enter the password 1234 and click on pair. After that, open the app, connect to SC05 and you are good to go. And that's how we bring this project to life. Big shout out to JLC3DP for awesome 3D prints. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. If you have any trouble ordering the parts, feel free to reach out. I will help you with that. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.